Do you have a roof leak and solar? Unfortunately, they might be related. Let's take a quick look at exactly how solar can cause a roof leak and how something we call solar R&R could be an important part of the solution to save your Southern California home from devastating water damage. So how does solar make my roof leak? Well, the sad truth is the vast majority of solar installation crews are only experts in one thing: solar. They're not experts in roofing. Because of this, we've seen a growing trend of solar installations not being sealed properly or not at all. Without a proper seal around all the places that the solar hardware penetrates the roof, typically once for every 2 to 3 feet of rail, water and moisture will find their way into your attic, causing damage to your roof, ceiling, and walls. Big leaks are usually spotted during the first or second rain, but slow leaks can go unnoticed for months or even years. These leaks not only cause cosmetic and structural damage to your home, but they can promote mold growth, which can negatively affect your family's health. It's easy to see how serious these leaks can be. So how do we fix them? And what is Solar R&R? Solar R&R stands for Solar Removal and Reinstallation. Homeowners with solar on their roof will need Solar R&R services anytime that part of their roof needs to be repaired or replaced. But keep in mind, not all Solar R&R services are created equal. If your roof was damaged from the initial installation of your solar panel system, something we see a lot of, then going with the same company for your removal and replacement might leave you with the same problems all over again. It's important to get your Solar R&R services from a company whose crews are experts in both solar and roofing, like August Roofing and Solar, who's the only company in Southern California that holds certifications in both roofing and solar. You might be wondering about your warranty though, right? Will it void your warranty if another company removes and reinstalls your solar panels? This concern is common, and there's a lot of confusion about this on online forums. The short answer is having a qualified third-party contractor provide you with Solar R&R services will not void your warranty. What warranties will not cover is the damage that's caused by the third-party contractor while they're performing the Solar R&R. This is why it's important to make sure any third-party contractor will provide you their own warranty for the work they're performing, like August Roofing and Solar does. So what are some other benefits of going with a qualified third-party contractor like August Roofing and Solar? I'm glad you asked. The first is no repeat roof damage. For customers who experience a damaged roof from the initial installation of their solar power system, going with the same company doesn't guarantee they won't be left with a damaged roof again. August Roofing and Solar is the only company in Southern California whose crews are experts in both solar and roofing. Our crews have years of experience professionally sealing and protecting every type of roof in Southern California, and we'll do the same for yours. The next is minimizing lost solar production. Some solar-only installers, including the most well-known national brands, won't schedule your reinstall until all the roof repairs are completed. This can potentially add 30 to 90 days of lost solar production. Since August Roofing and Solar handles both your solar R&R and your roof repair, we can typically have your entire project completed in 10 days or less. The third is no hidden costs. Some solar-only installers will give you a quote for the solar removal, but will not quote the reinstallation until all the roof repairs are completed. With August Roofing and Solar, you'll get the upfront pricing for your entire project, so you have all the information you need to make the right decision with absolutely no surprises. And finally, you'll avoid the blame game. Having one company handle your solar and another company handle your roof repairs not only gets complicated, but also gives each company someone else to pass the blame off to if something goes wrong. With August Roofing and Solar handling your entire project, you'll never get passed off. You'll only get solutions provided quickly and professionally. Don't get stuck losing time, money, and peace of mind with another risky solar company. Call August Roofing and Solar today to schedule your risk-free consultation and get all the information you need about Solar R&R so you can make the best decision for you and your family.